Hey, what's up, guys? And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can promote your laundromat business using TikTok. And also, please stay up to the end so that you can get the best strategies I use to promote the laundromat business on TikTok. And this is an underrated area because not many people are talking about this, and not many laundromat business owners are even looking into TikTok to first of all beginning with. They don't look even into TikTok as a way to promote their businesses, their laundromat business. So let's get straight into this video, please. And please, before I get started, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and comment. This will motivate me, to promote more engaging and interesting content for you guys to consume. Okay, perfect. Like I always say, you first of all start by typing in laundromat once you're on TikTok, because you've okay, you see what pops up. You have laundromat bars, laundromat for sale, laundromat TikTok. So let's just even start with laundromats. And okay, I love this page. Let's see how this guy has structured his page. Perfect. And if you see laundromat and vending machine owner, okay, but let's just start with laundromat. So I think one of the best ways to even promote your laundromat over here, it's by starting with showing up some profits. So this is just to increase your follower count. Are you understanding? So all these videos are just mostly to increase your follower count, to make you get more followers. Like, see what he does. Okay, he shows off his money. Why is there no volume? Sorry. Okay.
Then we have my employee scheduling software called Homebase, my water delivery.
Okay,
Get started.
perfect.
Here's how much I paid for my alarm, phone out, there's a link on my page.
Okay.
Merchant fees for accepting credit cards, and advertisements, which are my spent over $5,700. And then here's what it looks like now. This cost about $5,300. Well worth it. Finally, here's how much money we brought in revenue, minus all the expenses, and then that gives you the total profit for the month of July. If I wouldn't have spent all that money.
Perfect. So he just explains how his laundromat business works, and let's see. So some of these videos are taken from a site pexel.com. Let's see, Pexel. Once here in Pexel, let's just see laundromat, for example. Laundromat, and let's see videos, and let's just see what sorts of videos are there. Okay. Whereby, with TikTok, you can reuse content. Sorry, I don't know what's going on, why my page went off. Yes, perfect. I'm back. Okay. So this is a page you can look. So he just has maybe one video and he makes a collage of videos. So you can use these videos too. And also just go ahead and look at more. Right, let's see this page. Let's see. When your laundromat turns into a comedy club for a night. Perfect. You see. So you can turn your laundromat into something big. You just document your journeys. With TikTok is just refurbishing content, looking at what works already and just trying to emulate what works. Let's see. She has a video of close to, let's see, 13 million followers. Yeah. You see, it's just all about documenting your journey and in the construction process, arrangement process, how dresses are being washed and all the like. So that's basically the best one of the best ways, to promote your business on laundry. Just trying to emulate content, see what already works, and try to make content within. Okay, let's see this video. Let's see. So because the most important is growing your brand. So you're not only creating videos, you're creating videos to grow your brand. You feel me, guys? So, okay, it's still the same lady. Let's look for something else. Okay, okay, no, that's a laundromat, Karen. Oh, no, no, sorry. So maybe you don't have a lighter. You don't leave a lighter in your pocket. Like, this person left a lighter in the pocket. Mm, when customer takes it to another level. So, okay, sometimes posting controversies can be great. You feel me? Like posting controversies, such content, uh, 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 people speak about it. Just, that's another way to promote posting controversies. Let's see. I saw this girl in the laundromat. I asked her if I can take pictures of. Okay, perfect. That's a different, that's more into photography. Laundromat. Let's see. Dude has covered head to toe in blood trying to wash his clothes. You feel me? Like, such content, it's funny and it makes people laugh. Let's see again. Let's just see. A laundromat don't do a buys and you feel me? People interviewing laundromat business owners. Okay, I'm buying a new laundromat. The frustrations of having to use an apartment loan. Okay, this is great. The frustrations of having to use an apartment. So you feel me? Like you just need to. There are a lot of inspiring ideas. So I always tell people just another day at the laundromat. Oh shit, damn, that's fucked up, man. That's wickedness. Never mind. I'll send my husband to do the laundry. I'll never send my Never mind, I'll send my husband to do the laundry again. Okay, perfect. So she actually sent her husband to do the laundry, but 4 tips for washing clothes at the laundromat. Okay, perfect. I think these are very good business ideas. Here are some laundromat tips. Okay, detergents. What detergents to use? Save time by sorting light and dark spots before. Check inside machines and gaskets and all the like. So I'm sorry, I have two screens. That's why I'm looking this way. So yes, that's basically how things are to go about. So yes, perfect. And okay, let's see what's going on. That's great. Um, I was 2 years old when I knew I could save. I could have saved. Yeah, cause let me tell you guys, having operating a laundry at home is also it's also quite expensive. You understand, right? It's also quite expensive. So a lot of people too may sometimes prefer the option of starting a laundromat, rather than you can explain the importance of saving money by just going to laundromat and buying your this thing. So vending, collection, all machines. Uh, when you're trying to wash your clothes at the laundromat, okay, and it's raining, but you're a female and you came alone, making sure nobody is watching me, at least the views are okay. You're living in university, washing my son's clothes at, you can even contact most of these influencers. See this, I love this video. This is just so they'll be collecting all my stacks money machine and my soap vending and you know okay, great. So this guy just talks about okay, collecting all his money and all the like. I think these are very good ideas, and also you can even repost these videos to on other sites. So I think these are just great and wonderful ideas. This is why I hate doing my laundry. Perfect. Which isn't that much excessive. So you just need to get inspired, and let's see, when you think you dropped off your clothes at the best laundromat, but they use the cheapest names. Okay, and let's see this guy. Let's see. So my boyfriend and I are at the local laundromat. He doesn't. He goes open the door, but he's checking to make sure we didn't leave anything, and then we locked up. Okay, and that's completely new fear unlocked. Okay, maybe they're just speaking of how um I don't know. So breath perfect. Like, you know, it's just to get inspired. Unknown, let's see. Copy what works. Looking for pages. See, this lady just one, two, three, four, five videos, and that's it. Okay, okay, perfect. Yeah, just with about 5 videos and off they are gone with, you know. Let's see everything everywhere else. Looking for a sweet adorable. Okay, yes, with laundromats, a lot of people come to laundromats just to have fun. There are a lot of beautiful girls, there are good men. You can find your husband and all that. So I think yep, if those are your intentions, I don't really know your intentions. I don't know what's up. So, guys, I just wanted to show you that it's possible to make money with laundromats. So, by promoting them on TikTok, and there are also many platforms. In my previous video, I spoke about how you can do this with Facebook and yes, Facebook groups and all the like. So, man, thank you for being with me. Thank you for being with me to the end. And I wish you all the best in your laundromat. My email address is in the description. You can contact me and we can work on your project together. And man, that's all I have for you guys today. And okay, guys, see you soon and ciao. Bye.